Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. Of course, it's been a while. I told us in my last video that we'll be working on 5 different bustiers. So in this tutorial, we're going to be working on one of those bustiers, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this class. If this is your first time on this channel, click the subscribe button. You also need to turn on your notification bell so you get a notification each time I upload a new video. So let's move on to the cutting tape. Welcome to class. So first, we're going to be folding our pattern, and what are we folding with? Of course, we're going to be using the bust circumference, which is the highest circumference measurement, plus 8 inches divided by 4. And remember to add your extra 2 inches because it's a bustier dress. I have my armhole length and my underbust length. Then my shoulder divided by 2 is 7, plus 2 inches gives 9 inches. So I have my 9 inches. And on my armhole length, I'll be taking the bust circumference measurement plus 8 inches divided by 4. And remember to add your 2 inches. Below the underbust length, we'll be taking the underbust circumference plus 8 inches, and you divide the sum by 4. We'll also add our extra 2 inches, and our waist circumference measurement at the base of our pattern plus 8 divided by 4 and our extra 2 inches. So connect your points. Then we have an L shape from the shoulder. You connect to the bust circumference, just like so. Now we're going to be getting the midpoint of our armhole length. Our armhole length is 8.5 inches, so the midpoint is 4.25. And on that point, I'll come in by 0.5. Also at your angle 90, we'll take 1 inch and you connect from your 0.5 to the bust point, then from your shoulder to your 0.5, just like so. Alright, the next thing we're going to be doing is to cut out a pattern. Now that we are done, we're going to be folding our pattern using our bust span. The bust span in this measurement is 8 inches, so divided by 2 gives 4, and I'll add 0.5, which is 4.5 inches. So get your underbust length. Mine is 13 inches, so mark it out. Then from your underbust, you mark out your nipple point, either from the shoulder or from the underbust measurement. Here is our bust point, and here is our underbust length. Now we're going to be marking out 1 inch, starting from the underbust to the base of our pattern. That's 1 inch. And we have a straight line. At the underbust point, we're going to go in by 0.25, and you connect your new line like this. On the neckline, you're going to measure 1.5 inches. So we're connecting from our 1.5 inches to the bust point. Then from the bust point to the 1.25, which is at the underbust length. This time around, we're going to create a curve just like so. Then we get to cut. This tutorial is the straight bustier. I'm sure you don't want to miss out the next class because we're going to be moving to the next bustier. Remember, I said we're going through 5 different bustiers. The next thing to do is our shoulder slant. So I'll mark out my 1 inch just like so and cut. If this is your first time on this channel, now is the time for you to subscribe. If you have questions, you can also leave that in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. The next thing we want to do is bring out our neckline. So you can always go for your desired neckline. I'll be going with sweetheart neck, so I'm taking 6 inches at the center point and 5 inches at the other end. You can always give your sweetheart neck, a kind of design. Depends on your choice. You can go with a sweetheart neck, a v-neck, a square neck, round neck, mini strap. That's your choice, so go ahead and do that while I go with mine. Now we are done drafting. We're going to cut it out and we can place our pattern on our fabric to cut. And that's the end of our straight bustier for today. Go ahead, place your pattern and cut. Till I see you next class, I remain Simeon Grace. Bye.